you're going to be a professional carpet cleaner, you need professional equipment, and right up to the vacuum cleaner. One of the first jobs we do when we're cleaning a carpet is dry soil removal. So you don't just need a household vacuum cleaner, you need something much better than what your customer has. And this you can't get much better than the Windsor sensor machine. Okay, it's got the agitator bar in underneath. That shakes the fibres, gets all the grit out into the airspace, which is then picked up with the vacuum and deposited in the bag here. So to operate this machine, quite simple. Got a couple of little attachments on the back. That's the crevice tool, and we've got a little upholstery tool as well. Simply turn that around and the cord simply slides off there. Go and plug that into your power point. Got a nice long cord on these too. Easy to operate. Orange switch there gets that to move down to where you want it, and the switch is right there at your fingertips. Ready to go. Now I'll just show you a few things with this. Look how low that goes. There's not another vacuum cleaner around that you can poke in underneath beds or anything like that, so they're ideal like that. When we're using a vacuum cleaner like this, we use it in a back and forth motion. Let the machine do the work. I'll just demonstrate.
Cobwebs.
And that just stores on there. Now, where's the dirt go? The dirt goes into this bag. That simply unclips from there. There's a little plastic cover they give you that goes over the top of that, and that goes into the bag. You're not ending up with a face full of dirt. A lot of people use those bagless vacuum cleaners, but whenever you go to empty them, you end up with a face full of dust, and you really don't want to be breathing what comes out of that carpet. So change the bag. That just fits in there like that. Here we have a secondary filter, so that you'll change after every probably 5 bags that you'll empty, and we simply plug that in. That goes on the front there, and I'm just going to drop that down to show you here. We have the final filtration, and that you'll change every so often as well. And that's your vacuum cleaner.